Hey, what's up, healthy family? It's your boy, Dr. Mike, back with another video. Today we're cracking open the truth about a food that's been unfairly demonized in the past. Eggs. You've probably heard all sorts of things about eggs. That they're bad for your cholesterol, that they'll clog your arteries, the list goes on. But trust me, there's a lot more to the story. In this video, we're going to separate fact from fiction and explore the incredible health benefits of incorporating eggs into your diet. We'll dive into the latest scientific research, bust some common myths, and give you the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about your health. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. And if you're excited, hit the like button, it really helps. Now let's get cracking. Okay, let's address the elephant in the room, cholesterol. For years, eggs were considered a dietary villain because of their cholesterol content. But guess what? Recent studies have shown that dietary cholesterol, like that found in eggs, has a minimal impact on blood cholesterol levels for most people. Your body actually produces its own cholesterol, and it's a lot more complex than just good and bad cholesterol. What really matters is the balance of LDL, the bad, and HDL, the good cholesterol in your blood. Here's the kicker. Eggs actually contain compounds that can raise your HDL cholesterol, which is a good thing. So unless you have a pre-existing condition that requires you to limit dietary cholesterol, there's no need to fear the yolk. Remember, it's always a good idea to talk to your doctor about your specific dietary needs. Now you might be wondering, if eggs don't significantly raise cholesterol, what about heart health? Well, the good news is that eggs can actually be beneficial for your heart. Studies have shown that moderate egg consumption is not associated with an increased risk of heart disease. In fact, some studies suggest that eggs might even have a protective effect. Eggs are packed with nutrients like potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure, and antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage. They also contain choline, a nutrient that's essential for heart health. So go ahead and enjoy your eggs without the heart-healthy guilt trip. So, how many eggs can you safely enjoy each day? Well, most healthy adults can consume up to 2 whole eggs per day without any adverse effects. However, it's important to listen to your body and consider your overall dietary needs. If you have any underlying health conditions, it's always best to consult with your doctor or a registered dietitian to determine the appropriate amount for you. Remember, moderation is key. Incorporate eggs into a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean protein sources for optimal health. Looking to shed a few pounds? Eggs can be your secret weapon. They're incredibly nutrient-dense, meaning they pack a ton of nutrition into a relatively low-calorie package. One large egg contains only about 78 calories but provides 6 grams of high-quality protein, keeping you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This can help curb those pesky cravings and prevent overeating throughout the day. Studies have shown that people who eat eggs for breakfast tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day compared to those who opt for carb-heavy options. So start your day with an egg-cellent breakfast and watch those pounds melt away. Want to boost your brain power? Eggs are a brain-boosting powerhouse. They're an excellent source of choline, an essential nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain development and function. Choline is a precursor to acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that's involved in memory, learning, and muscle control. Studies have linked choline intake to improved cognitive function, memory, and even a reduced risk of cognitive decline as we age. So, next time you're feeling forgetful, whip up an omelet or scramble some eggs for a brain-boosting meal. Calling all fitness enthusiasts, eggs aren't just for breakfast anymore. They're the perfect post-workout fuel. They're loaded with high-quality protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle tissue after a strenuous workout. Each egg provides about 6 grams of protein, making them an excellent source to help your muscles recover and grow stronger. And don't forget about the yolks. They contain leucine, an amino acid that plays a key role in muscle protein synthesis. So, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, make sure to include eggs in your diet to support your muscle-building goals. Let's break down the nutritional powerhouses that are egg yolks and whites. The yolk is often misunderstood but is a nutritional goldmine. It contains fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, which are essential for various bodily functions. The yolk is also rich in antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are beneficial for eye health and can help protect against age-related macular degeneration. And let's not forget about choline, which we discussed earlier. Now, onto the egg whites. They're a fantastic source of lean protein, providing about 4 grams per egg white. They're low in calories and fat, making them a great option for those watching their weight. So, whether you prefer them scrambled, poached, or fried, enjoy the incredible nutritional benefits of both egg yolks and whites. There you have it, healthy family. The truth about eggs is out, and it's time to embrace this nutritional powerhouse. From boosting brain health and supporting muscle growth to aiding in weight loss and promoting heart health, eggs offer a wide array of benefits. So go ahead and enjoy your eggs without the guilt. Incorporate them into a balanced diet and experience the incredible health benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you found this helpful. See you in the next one.